Some stocks keep going after earnings and some just fade right away. And that's actually really important because it's not just about the earnings itself, it's about how the stock behaves after. So the real question is, how do we track that? I'll show you how I use earnings shock in my analysis. What this does, it shows how a stock reacts after earnings, not just on the first day. So you have the earnings day and then you track day 1, day 2, day 3 after that. Because sometimes you get a strong move, but there's no continuation, and sometimes the move just keeps going. So I'll just go into the screener, type in earnings shock, and then add 0 day, 1 day, 2 day, and 3 day. So here's earnings shock. Day 0 is the initial reaction, and then day 1, day 2, day 3. This shows if the stock is actually following through. For example, this one, BW. It was up around 45% on the earnings day, and then it kept holding and even pushing higher over the next few days, so that's a strong reaction. Buyers are still stepping in after earnings. And on the downside, take a look at KD. It was down over 50% on the earnings day, and it continues to stay weak over the next few days. Same thing with ODD. Big drop on earnings and no real recovery after. So that's clear weakness. So this way, I can quickly spot which stocks are strong after earnings and which ones are clearly weak. And that helps a lot when selecting names to focus on. Thank you for watching. Subscribe or sign up to our research, and don't forget to do your own research.